Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'll talk about the non-price determinants of demand, right? So these are the factors that influence the quantity demanded of a good or service other than the price itself, right? And I said that these are the things that cause a shift in the demand curve. Right? Cause a shift in the demand curve. So what would one thing be that causes a shift in the demand curve? So to start, you could have some change in buyers' tastes and preferences. Okay. So this could be due to some fad or some increase in popularity of a good or service. This is something that would cause, for instance, an increase in the demand or a shift to the right. One example could be an increase in the demand for ugly Christmas sweaters, which is something that we've seen an increase in the demand for over the past several Christmas seasons. Ugly Christmas sweaters increased in demand because of a fad or an increase in popularity. But this increase in demand has nothing to do with the price itself. So at a given price, you have a higher quantity of the good or service demanded, but that's not because the price went down, right? This is something else. On the other hand, you could have a decrease in demand or something that causes the demand curve to shift to the left. Say that's D2 and that was D1. This could be, for instance, suppose there's an E. coli scare for a certain burrito manufacturer. There's a decrease that would cause a decrease in the quantity of burritos demanded, not because of an increase in price, but because people are concerned about getting E. coli, right? So there's no change in the quantity demanded due to price, it's due to something else, right? So that's one class of non-price determinants of demand, is changes in tastes and preferences. Another thing could be buyer's income. Okay, so this could be, for instance, for most, or what we call a normal good, we'd expect that an increase in income is going to lead to an increase in demand. Okay, so buyers have more purchasing power and they're able to buy more goods. So they demand more goods in general, and that's not because of the price of individual goods. Is that there's more buyers with the means to purchase goods. We can contrast that with an inferior good. Which is something that when income increases, demand actually decreases. So there's a shift to the left. So a normal good, we said it's just something that's the demand is an increase with income. Inferior goods can have the opposite effect. So an inferior good could be something like ramen noodles, right? That's the classic inferior good. When income increases, demand decreases, right? Okay. So there are a few others. In the next few videos, I'll talk about some more non-price determinants of demand. But I'll clear the board and we'll talk about the others in the next few videos. See you then.